Smelling something burnt from your Ninja Creami? Or does the motor feel hot after just one spin? Here's how to cool things down and prevent long-term damage. Step 1. Let the unit rest between cycles. Running multiple back-to-back spins can overheat the motor. Always wait at least 5 minutes between uses, especially after respin or mix-in cycles. Step 2. Don't use rock-hard pints straight from deep freeze. If the mixture is too frozen, the motor strains and heats up. Let the pint sit at room temperature for 10 to 15 minutes before spinning. Step 3. Don't overfill the pint or add tough chunks too early. If mix-ins or base ingredients are too dense, they can jam the blade and overwork the motor. Stick to the fill line and only use mix-in mode after the first spin. Step 4. Clean the paddle and lid area thoroughly. Food buildup near the paddle shaft or blade bearings can create friction. Rinse and inspect all parts before each use, especially if the smell is consistent. Step 5. Unplug the unit and let it cool fully if overheating occurs. If the machine feels hot or smells burnt, unplug it and leave it off for at least 30 minutes before trying again. Still overheating or smelling burnt? It may be a failing motor or damaged gear. Ninja support link is in the description if you need help with a repair. If this helped, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more fast appliance guides. Got another issue? Drop it in the comments. We might feature it next. Thanks for watching, and keep your Creami running cool.